So the Main Street vehicles are closed, refurbishment, so they have this whole wall going up. This is in the town square, and so it completely covers the center of the town square. And I think it's going to go all the way down Main Street to the hub. So actually, no, it stops there. So we have the whole town square covered up because they're replacing the track for the Main Street vehicles. But it stops here. They're probably going to finish this track, and then after that they'll take these walls down and then add walls for the rest of Main Street. And the walls are up around the hub too, in front of the castle. So the wall ends here, and then there's Main Street is open, but it looks like the hub is all closed off, and they're taking off the Christmas decorations off of the castle. Looks like the lights are off. The snow is still there, but the lights and all the garland and everything are off now. Everything, all the other decorations are coming off. None of the other decorations here are on Main Street anymore. They've all been taken off. Everything is being de-Christmasized. So, yep. So the hub is completely covered around. The partner statue is behind the wall, and it'll be interesting to see how long it takes before they get that all accomplished. So, signing off from Disneyland.